When you first arrive at Island Crest on Mercer Island, Washington, it feels less like a newly renovated home and more like a carefully preserved piece of history. Originally built in 1958, the house captivated its new owners with its timeless craftsmanship, mature magnolia tree, and unmistakable Pacific Northwest character. Rather than replacing it, they chose to preserve its identity, creating a renovation that honors the home's past, while adapting it for modern family living. Preserving the house was far from the easiest solution. Early assessments recommended demolition, especially after asbestos and mold were discovered. Instead, ONOMA Architecture worked closely with the homeowners to refine the design through multiple iterations, improving circulation, natural light, and functionality while carefully maintaining the home's original mid-century proportions and architectural character. The transformation begins even before stepping inside. The main entrance was relocated to the south facade, creating a more welcoming arrival. Residents now enter through a mudroom connected to the detached garage, while guests approach through a concrete courtyard beneath a covered steel walkway. A vertical steel screen adds privacy while framing selective views of the surrounding landscape, making the transition into the home feel calm and intentional. Inside, several walls were removed to connect the kitchen, dining, and living areas into one continuous space. A freestanding feature wall with a glazed partition brings daylight into the stairwell while subtly defining the living room. White oak flooring, durable decked-in surfaces, and large sliding glass doors strengthen the connection between the interior, the rear deck, and the entry courtyard, allowing daily life to flow naturally between indoor and outdoor spaces. What makes Island Crest remarkable is its restraint. Rather than erasing the past, the renovation builds upon it, proving that thoughtful preservation can be just as transformative as new construction. The result is a home that functions effortlessly for contemporary living while remaining deeply connected to its original craftsmanship, history, and sense of place.